Alright guys, today is April 17th. And by the way, the other day I got the date wrong in the video and nobody corrected me. So I'm very sad about that. But today is April 17th. That one is correct. Today we're doing AA3. So at this point you should already have AA1 done, AA2 done, and today we're doing AA3. Okay, so the AA3, it's kind of like going backwards. So with AA1 and 2, we were graphing it, and then, they were giving us the inequality, and then we were graphing it. This time, they're giving us the graph, and we need to figure out what is the inequality, okay? So, I'm given this right here. This is how the IXL problems are going to look. So, they're giving me this number line, and I know I'm looking at the number 9. So, I have X, something, and 9. Well, now I need to ask myself, are the numbers that are shaded in, right, all of these numbers right here, are they greater than or are they less than 9? Well, it's going to the left. Left is less. Okay, I have less and greater. So I know that my numbers are less than. Okay, so now I need to ask myself, is that circle shaded or is it not shaded? Well, it's not shaded, so it just stays like this. So in the box, I'm going to write X is less than 9. Okay, and here they give me some notes. So it says, a filled-in circle includes the number. Okay, so it's not included there. Open circle does not include the number. In other words, this one can be equal. Oops. And this one cannot be equal. Okay? Now, we want to write an inequality that says X can be anything shown by the arrow and the circle. Open circle located on 9 means that X cannot be equal to 9. The arrow pointing to the left means that X can be any number less than 9. So since X is anything less than 9, the inequality is X is less than 9, which is exactly what I had here. Okay, so let's do one together. Let's go here. Let's do one together just so you can see how it actually looks on your IXL. So it says, what inequality does the number line show? So I know I'm focusing on the 3. So I have an X and something and a 3. So now let me ask myself, are all of the numbers that are highlighted with this green arrow greater than or less than? Okay, my arrow is pointing to the right, which is my greater than side, right? So I know it's greater than. All right, so I can narrow it down to my greater than symbols. Now, it is shaded in. So because it is shaded in, it can also be equal to. So it's going to be greater than or equal to, and then the number 3. So the number that you're going to type is whatever number that dot is on. Submit it. Correct. Okay, another one. Now I'm going to use X. I'm always going to put X, just to clarify that. I'm not going to put any other letter. I'm just going to put X. So I have X is something than 1. Kind of looks similar to the other one. All the numbers that are shaded are greater than. So I know I'm going to use one of my greater than symbols. The circle is shaded in, so it can also be equal to 1. One way you can think of it for this assignment, for this IXL, which I don't like to think about it all the time, you can think about it the way that the arrow is pointing, right? So the arrow is pointing to the left, so my symbol is going to be pointing to the left. Okay, and great job. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, go ahead and contact me. You are working on AA3. So just to clarify, at this point, you should already have AA1, 2, 3. All of these should have a little grade here on the side. Okay, message me if you have any questions. Make sure these are done so you can get your name into the raffle for this week. Bye, guys.